Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a new song and choosing the right instrument. This sets the workflow. Tap the plus, pick either a software instrument or audio recorder, and set tempo, key, and time signature to match your idea. This makes later edits easier. Once done, enable the metronome and count-in so your recordings align, and plug in headphones or a mic for cleaner audio. You'll avoid timing fixes later, and you'll hear details while tracking, which speeds up the process. You record a guide track to lock the arrangement, then layer parts on separate tracks so each element is editable. Start with an 8-bar loop to capture a solid take, then add drums, bass, and harmonies using smart instruments or imported loops. Drag and drop regions to arrange structure. Make precise edits by trimming region handles, quantizing MIDI notes, and opening the editor. Also, use automation to ride volume or effects. This prevents clipping and keeps your mix balanced as you build depth. You finish by mixing. Use EQ to clear frequency clashes, add light compression for consistency, and tasteful reverb for space. Keep the master below -6 dB to avoid clipping. Once satisfied, export as 16 or 24-bit WAV, share to Files or SoundCloud, or save the project for further tweaks on iPad or Mac. If you hit issues, try a quick troubleshooting step. Check input gain and mic permissions. Reset the instrument or plugin settings, and if needed, restart GarageBand before re-recording.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.